there's a brilliant book called Billy No Mates, which talks about a man's journey with no friends. And I'm delighted to say the author of that book, Max Dickins, is with us in the audience. A friend of the show. Max! Have you made friends today?
Friends with these lovely people, yeah. It's great.
Oh, look at you, you lonely old soul. Tell me your friendship journey. How bad was it for you?
Well, I got engaged and realised I didn't have anyone to be best man. And I thought, if you think about loneliness, it doesn't look like people like me. I'm pretty outgoing, quick to buy my round. And, you know, early in my 20s, I'd had loads of friends. And then I thought, oh, where have they all gone? And then if you look at the stats, as you said, it happens to a lot of guys, especially post-30, when life happens. Jobs get really serious, relationships get really serious, you have kids. A lot of the time, it's the first thing that drops off the to-do list is maintaining our friendships. And it happens to me, and it happens to lots of other people. But there are practical things we can do about it.
So you had to actively work on this and get out there and sort it out?
Yeah, absolutely. So I sort of looked into, what goes wrong, spoke to loads of experts, and essentially there are two main things. One is that when blokes get together, we tend to bring sort of unspoken rules to our male friendships. One is like, it's got to be fun, right? It's about banter, that jazz of casual brutality we bring. It's how we talk to each other. Another is keep it light. I think men often see their friendships as for comfort, right? Not really for confession. It's like a holiday from life. And there's no outward affection often. If you see blokes get together in a pub, it's like, all right. You see women get together, it's just this kind of Catherine wheel. And it's like of energy and kisses and compliments. And what that adds up to is that the permission we have between us to say certain things and do certain things, I think is taken away. And so we don't have the intimacy in our friendships. But the second big thing, and it connects to, I think, what a lot of you have spoken about today is male friendships thrive side by side based around a shared activity and generally in groups, right? This has been tons of research about this. And what happens as we get older is we often lose those contexts. We lose those activities. If you lose the activity, you often lose the group. So I think what you've got to do is rewild your social life as you get older, right? Refine those activities or keep them going. Like, it's great you've got school friends and you keep that going and someone leads it. And that is another key thing, is someone has got to step forward and take the initiative. And I call it being the Sherpa. Be the one who sends the texts, organises the
Go on, right. Everyone phone their wives. We're all going to Tenerife for the week golf.
Exactly.
As Max said. Max told me.
Thank you so much. How many friends have you got now, by the way? How's it working out for you?
150.
150.
Wow.
Well done.
Right. Too many.